You already did it?
Yeah.
We didn't see it though.
Secret!
It's a secret?
O para pag nag-fail, hindi ano, para.
Sige, sige.
Any message?
Any message?
Any message?
Any message, Kuya Pablo?
Maybe, just like what I told you guys earlier, I'm really blessed to be celebrating my birthday with all of you guys. I feel so much love right now. Also, no matter what era you came to know SB19, as long as you're supporting SB19 and you're giving love and your support for SB19, we really appreciated that so much. Sana lang, we get bigger and bigger so we can achieve all the dreams that we have been building together. And for my 18th birthday, I just want kanina nag-huddle kami, sinabi yung edad ko, 1, 2, 3, 18!
Yes! Diba?
Happy 18 daw. Anyway, thank you all so much. We love you guys from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you. Appreciate that. Love you guys.
Wow. Grabe yung mga fan projects that I'm liking and you guys are so great. You guys are the best. I've never seen anything like this. And there's a banner, no? Wow, happy birthday, Pablo. Again, can we all do actually, you guys are all holding up that light. Can we all do together the light sticks with it? Can you all hold up the light sticks? Put it up, put it up. Yes, together with your banners and together with your fan projects. We like it like that, okay? We'll do the blue ocean wave, okay? Starting from the left.